Hello, everyone. I hope you're all doing great today. It is January 11, 2021, here in Houston, Texas. The market is red. I understand that. Let me see if it's still red. It is still red. So, and I know probably a lot of you are not doing very well today, except for those who are holding NEO. NEO is on fire. It's already at $64.24 as I'm recording this video. It did really well, and those who bought it and held to it, congratulations. I'm one of the people who did not hold to it. I sold it at 59 something. I bought it at 51, sold it at 59. I made a lot of profits, but I had to sell it because all my cash was tied into the stock, and I wanted to come into Monday with some cash, and I wanted to re-enter actually. But then when I woke up in the morning, I saw the stock already at 10% almost up. So I was like, no, I can't do that. So just be careful, guys. Those who are holding the stock, this is like a treasure, okay? It's a great stock. But if you're, we're going to see some sell-offs. This is what NEO does. It goes up, and then we see a lot of sell-offs that drops it, but it drops it to a price that is higher the peak before. So don't panic. Just do not go and buy the stock now. If you buy the stock now, you're probably gonna make a huge mistake. Most probably now. You might get lucky, but most probably we're going to see some sell-offs. And it's gonna drop it a little bit, maybe drop it back to 60, I don't know, maybe 59, but then it's gonna go back up again. So those who are holding the stock, you already have a lot of gains, and you're going to see a little bit of drop in your gains, but it's going to go back up again. Now, I hope this doesn't happen. I'm just telling you what the trend of NEO. It does this all the time. Sell-offs are huge with NEO stock. So just be careful. As long as you hold to it, you're good. Those who do not have the stock, like me, I am not going to enter. I might enter when the sell-offs start coming. Again, I'm not hoping that we see sell-offs. I hope we don't, because those who are holding it, we want you guys to continue winning and making the profits and the gains. So good luck, and I hope it shoots to 70 by tomorrow, so you can make more money. Anyway, guys, this is the portfolio I have. It's mostly SPACs, special purpose acquisition companies. As you know, I started this. First of all, let me see how much money I made today, or how much gains I made. So I'm already at 736. That's great, considering that the market is red. That tells me that this portfolio is solid. I'm sustaining all the drops and all the redness in the market. So that's a great thing, and I'm happy with this. That makes me feel good. Just imagine the market is green. Imagine the gains that I will have if the market was green. So this is a solid portfolio, guys. Since I started this portfolio, which was on 5th of January, I've already made $2,500. That's almost exactly $500 a day average. Now, I can say no to that, right? So as you see here, it says cash balance negative $15,000. That's basically the money that I borrowed. It's the margin. I'm borrowing money from Webull. They let me borrow $15,757, and I'm investing this back in the stock market. Now this is helping me boost my portfolio, because when you invest more and you see a gain, let's say you see a 10% gain one of these days. So if it wasn't for $15,000, I would have only made 10% of the, let's say $24,000. But now that I have $40,000, the 10% is going to be higher. So it boosts your, the more you invest, the more money you invest, the more you make if things go in the right direction. And it's vice versa, obviously. So that's why, me personally, I love using margin, and I always use it because I believe that it really helps me grow faster. It grows my account faster. If it wasn't for margin, actually, I wouldn't have scored all these gains in the Robinhood account. Robinhood account, it's 100% margin, so I use a lot of margin. So anyway, guys, back to this stocks. You see some of the stocks are doing really well. AJAX, it's up 2.29%. Look at NGA, it's up 17.5%. This is awesome. Look at GOEV. This is not a SPAC, but it is up $739 or 17, almost 18%. Look at CFII or CF Finance. It is up $286. Look at PSTH. It is up 7.19%. So you see almost every stock is up except for a couple, and they're not really down much. I see GHIV rising in the next few days, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna become green. The other one that will probably go green is CLOV or Clover Health. So I think this stock is going to also make some gains at the end of this week. The last one that is red is TPGY. I mean, this is a great stock, guys. This is the company that's merging with EVBox, which is the sister company of or the competitor of Charging Point here in the United States. But EVBox operates in Europe, and I think it's bigger than Charging Point, if I'm not mistaken, or Switchback Energy. So this is the stocks, guys, that I have. Just remember, if you are going to buy options, that's fine. Just understand that sometimes when you buy the options, you might see some losses right away, but that doesn't mean anything. It's just because of the time decay or the time value as you approach the expiration date. So don't panic if you buy an option or if you choose any option here. Again, this is my suggestion to you guys. I'm not like obligating anybody to buy these stocks. It's just for entertainment. I just want to share with you my experiences. I want to just show you what I do. I want to be very transparent because hopefully, you will be able to benefit from this. When people show you their portfolio, you might be able to benefit from it, whether it's something that you want to copy or something you want to avoid. For example, you might come here and say, you know what, I don't want to buy this stock, CLOV. Look, it's dropping. He's not doing very well, Or we might go and see, say, you know what, let me see what's going on with NGAM. It keeps going up. Maybe I should go and create a position. But again, that's your decision. I'm here to just show you and just make your decision-making process easier by showing you everything I have, showing you step by step what I do, what I buy, what I sell. But that's it for me, guys. I hope the market turns green. A lot of the times, don't be so frustrated, because a lot of the time the market turns green like the last hour before it closed, or the last 2 hours. We still have 2 hours to go. So because it might turn green. So just be patient, and hopefully things will get better. And if the market doesn't turn green, oh well, there's another day, right? There's another day. Just hold to your stocks if you're holding stocks, because stocks does nothing but go up most of the time, right? Most of the time. So your biggest mistake is to panic and start selling. Oh, let me go and sell it. Maybe I can make money with something else. I've done it, guys. What I've done in the past is this. Look, watch. I dropped so bad one day, and I'm seeing my portfolio dropping. And I panicked. I'm like, I need to make my money back. I need to do something. Then I go and I start looking for stocks that are green and they are going up. And then, bam, I start buying into these stocks. And before I know it, they drop. So if a stock is up 10%, great. But that doesn't mean I go and jump into it, because it might go up to 12, but before you know it, it'll drop back to 6%, and now you are really screwed. So be careful, do not panic. If you have the stock and if you believe in it, just hold to it, because its day is gonna come and it's gonna go back. Please do not panic and sell your stocks. The same thing with options, there's options, you can buy today and just the stock drops, $1 or $2, and then you see your equity going down like crazy. But that doesn't mean anything. Because you have time to recover, especially if you're buying the option, 2 to 3 to 4 months ahead, which this is why I recommend. I always like to buy options at least 2 to 3 months. So it gives me some time to recover in case things go south and the price goes down. Now, a lot of people like to buy options within a week or even a few days, I guess. I don't like that. It is too risky. You can make a lot of money, don't get me wrong, but at the same time, you can lose a lot of money. But that's it for me, guys. I hope you all recover. If you are down, look, I was down earlier and I'm back going up now. I was at like 24,400. I'm back to 24,700. So maybe the market is turning green and it's, recovering. Just stay strong. Do your homework, believe in your stock, and I'm sure you will succeed, okay? I hope you all crush it. The rest of the day, I hope the rest of the week is going to be very prosperous for us, and I will see you again soon. Have a great day.